Hello and welcome to this bonus video, where we'll be looking at the noun Fall and a lot of useful vocabulary that is derived from it. The word itself means fall, like the noun of to fall, not like autumn, but it also means case, but not only the grammatical case, but case in general, so a kind of situation. So let's look at the vocabulary. Abfall. Ab means off. Something that falls off is trash. Zufall. Something that falls to you or the situation is a coincidence. Vorfall. A situation before is an incident. Rückfall. If you fall back, then it's a relapse. Anfall. This has two meanings. It can either be a seizure or an outburst of anger. Unfall. You might know that un means not, but it has a second rarer meaning, which is terrible. So a terrible situation is an accident. Beifall. Bei means at, but in this case it's more like towards. So this means applause. Notfall. Not means distress, and a distress situation is an emergency. Einfall. Ein means into, so if it falls into your mind, then it's an idea. Durchfall. If food falls through your body, it is diarrhea. Zwischenfall. If something happened in between, it's an incident. Überfall. If you fall over someone, you're robbing him. Überfall means robbery. Verfall. The prefix ver always makes something negative. So it falls into the negative means decay, decline or deterioration. And similarly, zerfall, zer means destroy, also means decay, but more like collapse or disintegration. Ausfall. Well, aus means out or off, and it can mean a loss of hair, for example, or when an event is cancelled, it means cancellation. In case of electrical power, it also means blackout. Falle. Well, Falle is something you fall into, it's a trap. Fallschirm. Schirm means umbrella, so a falling umbrella is a parashoot. Falls. Falls means in case, or if. Jedenfalls. Jeden is every or any, and this is anyway. Keinesfalls. Keines means no, and keinesfalls is no way. Fällig. Ich is an adjective ending, and fällig means due. Etwas ist fällig means something is due. And en is the verb ending, and fallen is to fall. Fällen with the upload is actually to make something fall. It is to fell, like trees. And that's it for this video. If you would like more combinations with fallen as a verb, then I'll link a video to that in the description. Tschüss